I've been moving with the silence, talking through the shadows on my own. Everybody say I'm shining, but nobody know how I keep on phone. I just smile for the camera, and I fade when the lights go down. All this love on my timelines, and I'm feeling alone right now. I've been running from my cushions, from the music I bought. I did dream just to slow it. All this noise inside my voice. Every promise that I give you, I was scared I might not keep. I was broken before I met you. When the world don't feel like mine, you're the only peace on it. One call me, say my name, you my pain. If I lose myself tonight, one call can save my soul. My heart's actually breaking. Every night feel like a question. I'm still trying to answer it. I see your face in my dreams, even when I'm wide awake. All these roads that I've been on still lead me to your name. I they act like I'm fearless, but I shake when I'm alone. I've been building all these walls, and I need somewhere to go. People left me is pressure. I'll understand if you go, but if there's space inside your heart, just let me know.